Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. My name is Szabi. So let me show you how to fix WordPress not sending emails from your website. So the method is using a free plugin called WP Gmail SMTP. This will set up SMTP server on your WordPress site and will allow your site to send emails using Gmail SMTP servers. So it will not use anymore the built-in email server from your site, which is or may be faulty, and it will use Gmail instead, which is much more reliable than the default email server that is used in your WordPress site by default. So let me show you how to do this. I will link in this video's description the link of this free plugin. So you have to go to this address, click download, save the zip file you download to a folder on your hard drive, then go to your WordPress site, click plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, go to the zip file you downloaded from here and click install now. After this, activate the plugin. Now you will see that Gmail SMTP plugin cannot send email to you until you enter your credentials. Message will appear and we can go to settings, and here we will have to create a Gmail SMTP client ID and client secret and set up everything here. Let me show you how to do this also. So click here to check their docs, and after we scroll down through this, because we already done this, we will see that we have to go to console developers google.com. So click here also, and the Google developers will open up for you. Here you have to log in. After this, let's go ahead and click here, click create new project, give it a name and click create. Let's wait the process of creation, and after it is created we can change the project here and click on SMTP test, the name that you added, and here we can go to credentials and we will need to create a OAuth client ID. So click this, but before this can be created you have to add a name to your project. So click here and click external, create, and application name, add SMTP test, and don't forget to save. After we have done this, we can go back to credentials and create credentials or OAuth client ID, select web application, and here in the authorize redirect URIs we should go back and select this or the full text that this displays and copy it, and we should go to Google API settings and paste it here. So this should be pasted. After this, invalid redirect message will appear. This is a security check that Google does. To solve this, click on this link. Click edit app. And now we can add the authorized domains here. So we should copy the domain name we wish to use the plugin on, so simply paste everything that you copied and leave only the domain name. So in this case it is vpinitiate.com. Click enter and it will appear like this. Click save. Now we can go ahead and finally create our credentials. Click on Add Client ID, Web App, and paste the redirect URL. Hit enter, so it will be displayed like this, and click create. Now we have the client ID, copy it, go to plugin settings and paste it here. Client secret, copy it and paste it here. Email address, this should be the same that was used for the Google account. So in my case it is like this. From email address, this is the email address which will be used as the from address when sending. This can be your WordPress website's email or anything else. So let us enter like this. And from name, encryption can be left as default, and the port you can enter 587 if you leave it as TLS. You can check also this, because a warning should be displayed if you have PHP 5.6 and newer, but it is recommended to check this. So this is everything that I've done so far. Click Save Changes, and after I saved, we can go down and click Grant Permission. This will pop up. Click Advanced, go here, Allow, and it is connected. Now we can send a test email. So I'm sending a test email now, and click Send Email. Now SMTP server will kick in, and there you will see that everything is okay. And if there are no errors listed here, then your setup was successful. Now we can check our email. It was set as spam because it is a bit spammy, but the sending was successful. Okay, so this is all for how to set up SMTP on your WordPress site to fix the WordPress not sending emails issue. And until next time, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell notification to get notified each time I release a new video on this channel, because I create videos each day at 8 p.m. GMT. So this is all for now. Have a great day. Bye bye.